Hello guys, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. And today we are going to be looking at Filecoin or FILE. Filecoin is currently at the $5.25 level, currently ranked at 33 with a market cap of about $2.61 billion. We have a 24-hour volume of about 159 million dollars, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for Filecoin. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Right, so for Filecoin for the week we are down about 12%, and in the last 24 hours we are down 4.4%. And without further ado, let us flip to the chart. We are on the chart right here for Filecoin versus the USD Theta. We are on the daily time frame. Binance is the data source, right? And so right here for Filecoin right here, Filecoin was a fairly easy one for us. As you can see, our EMAs, our trend EMAs flipped bullish right here, and we were above the macro EMA. The moment we flipped bullish right here from the $3.4 level, we became very, very bullish right here on Filecoin. We saw Filecoin push up about 129%, right? And we followed through all these processes right here on the channel, reminding you that we were still bullish. Right here, we made a video about the warning signals right here for a bearish call. And as you can see, since then, we have seen this push to the downside, right? So what is next? You might be asking right here for Filecoin, right? So we are expecting one more drop right here for Filecoin, exactly into these 4.6 dollars level before we are expecting some sort of massive bounce to the upside. And I'll show you why we are still expecting one more drop right here into this $4.6 before we see a bounce. First, right, we need to see structure formed above these bull market EMA before we see that massive bull run right there for Filecoin, right? So we are just coming to retest the bull market EMA right here so that we can see that bounce towards the upside. Another reason is we are still seeing massive selling pressure right there from the bears. So we need to see that the bears get exhausted right here, sell out of all their Filecoins, and there is no more Filecoin to sell out, and then we could see that massive bounce right there for Filecoin, right? But we are still seeing active selling right here on the volume profile, so we could still see one more drop right there for Filecoin. Another reason right there is Bitcoin, the king of the market. Right here, we have been seeing Bitcoin seeing this push to the downside, and as you can see, the same thing Filecoin has been seeing this push to the downside. So most of the time, whatever we see happens to Bitcoin happens to a lot of coins, right? And one of the things we have noticed with Bitcoin is that every time we see a MACD cross on the 3 days time frame, we touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before bouncing. Same thing right here, MACD cross, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, bounce, MACD cross, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and then we bounce. Let's go further. The same thing, mark the cross, touch the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, bounce. If you go right back there, you would see we always repeat the same thing. With the moment we have a mark the cross to the downside, we usually bottom exactly at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands before we see a bounce. Currently, as you can see, we had that mark the cross on the 29th of December. We are currently pushing to the bottom of the Bollinger Bands, and the bottom of the Bollinger Bands is currently at the $38,000 level, right? So with Bitcoin still at the $41,000 level, we are expecting one more push to the downside, right, into that $38,000 level before we see a bounce, right? So for Filecoin 2, we should expect one more drop into these $4.6 level before we see that massive bounce to the $11 or higher, which we are expecting right here for Filecoin, right? So that's the update right here on Filecoin. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day.